Hello everyone, welcome to the live session for the course Computer Integrated Manufacturing. So I have received certain queries in the Google Sheet that was posted, and also there are certain questions in the course forum. So we would like to address them during this live session. Along with me, I have Professor Ramkumar and Dr. Amandeep Singh. You have seen us in the course. So this course has majorly covered the topics in computer integrated manufacturing. So we introduced the computer integrated manufacturing in the beginning. So what are computers and all the manufacturing systems interact with them? Computer graphics as a part of SIM is covered in computer graphics. We also covered the computer aided design. Then in computer aided design, when we talk about, we discussed about the geometric tolerances, geometric modeling, then computer numerical control, CNC machines, a demonstration on that. Then in CNC machining, a detailed demonstration is given regarding how does the different kind of the CNC software systems work, like Fanuc, Hand, and how do we hold the tool, how do the software, tool, and the machine reference point is brought at one point. So CNC tooling, this was all covered. Then CSC part programming, what is the part program, G codes and M codes, small introduction to that. And some of the part programs we also run in the laboratory demonstration regarding CNCs. Then what we have covered the topics in the computer integrated manufacturing in the manufacturing systems, like group technology was covered. What is group technology? Then computer aided process planning. Along with that, Professor Ramkumar also covered flexible manufacturing system. Then this was extended to the topics like robotics, programmable logic controllers, then automatic data identification systems, which are more important in these days. And one thing was not also missed is the computer aided quality control and computer aided quality assurance system. Along with that, the coordinate measuring systems, coordinate measuring machines, the laboratory demonstration for that was given. Small introduction to rapid manufacturing, which is an important sector, important point, important, I would say, concept that is to be covered importantly in computer aided manufacturing. And when we talk about rapid manufacturing, the CAD modeling for the layer by layer slicing modeling, that is different from the regular CAD modeling that we used to do in the CNC, the regular subtractive manufacturing. So this was also covered. In the recent week, in week 11, we have posted the videos regarding the material handling systems, the laboratory demonstration on the plant simulation software when we talk about manufacturing systems, where to place the machines, how distant or how apart the machines should be placed, what are the span between machines, how does the material handling between machines happen, the work in progress, raw material, finished goods inventory. So those things are all covered using a software that is one of the most prominent softwares in the world, that is a Siemens PLM, product lifecycle management software. The next week would be more of compiling the course into one, where we'll be covering the computer is in manufacturing industry, the current scenario that Professor Ramkumar would cover. And also I will cover the recent concepts in the computer integrated manufacturing. When we talk about the digital manufacturing, when we talk about the quality 4.0 goals, when we talk about the sustainable development goals, and the recent concepts like augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality, these concepts are covered, and small introduction to them has been given in the next week that you will be taking out. The questions regarding the course that you have posted in the Google Sheet that was made available to you. The first question is by Mr. Shubham Dev. Sir, can't able to payment my fees now, can I sit in the exam? I think that is not possible because there is a registration date, and the registration date was also extended 2 times maybe. I think the support team from most support team from the NPTL, Mr. Murli, he can the better answer to that. Then definitely he will answer to this question, that how does the, if they have not paid fee, or do they go for the course registration this time. So what are the future opportunities that a BE fellow get after completing this course? I think I'll just forward this question to Professor Ramkumar, let him come. He will more closely answer to the query that you have raised. Sir, I'm a student from TTIT KGF Mechanical Engineering 3rd year. I wanted to do my higher studies in Indian IIT. What is the best way to join the institute? If you're in 3rd year, I think this is the right time when you can take the GATE exam, the graduate aptitude test for engineers. So during that exam, just take that exam. If you are in mechanical engineering, yeah, the competition would be high. Try to start preparing for the exam very well. Try to follow good notes, whatever the basic information or knowledge that you have gained during the last 2.5 or 3 years, that will definitely help you to score good. Once you have cleared the exam, then different IITs would shortlist you for the MTech program. There is also a direct PhD admission program. So any of these programs you can pick. Also, there is a other than MTech, we have in IIT-Kanpur Masters in Design, Masters in Science. Different programs are there. You can just definitely apply for them. You'll be interviewed and you can be taken in. And these days, I think because multiple IITs are there other than the old 7 IITs. We have now new phase 2 and phase 3 IITs totaling to 23 of the institutes. So try hard, prepare smartly. You will be able to get into the some of the IITs. It is good that you are taking the NPTEL courses already. So that means you are aware of the things which are around, and the professors, the way that he teach, the style of the teaching, and the kind of the content they cover. That will definitely help you. So, Mr. Murli, if there are any questions in the YouTube channel or so, you can just post it here. So we'll be like to address them, and also you can maybe respond to that query the one person raised regarding the fee. She has not submitted the fee, but she would like to sit in the exam. So how could
I just read that question, Dr. Amandeep. The student Shubham Day posted, sir, can't able to payment my fees. Now can I sit on the examination? So the exam registration is completely closed, and now nothing can be done. We are extremely sorry, Shubham Day. Maybe next semester you can register a little early and pay your fees on time so that you can appear for the examination. This time we are extremely sorry. Everything is done.
Fine.
Yeah,
If
Dr.
any queries,
So far, no, Dr. Amandeep. We have one viewer only. Let's wait for 2 more minutes just in case.
No issues. We'll wait for 2-3 minutes. By this time, let Professor Ramkumar also join. He'll also give answer to the query the other person raised.
Sure, Dr. Amandeep.
Good evening to you all. Ramkumar here. So I will be happy to take up questions. Please let me know if you have any. So what are the future opportunities can a BE fellow get after completing this course? See, computer aided manufacturing is there for last 10 years, and this is going to continue. So now computer integrated manufacturing, initially we were talking about CNC, we were talking about AGVs, we are talking about measurement tools, CMM, all those things. But now it has slowly got moved into additive manufacturing. So if you have understood the computer integrated manufacturing properly, now you can try to use those knowledge to extrapolate and get new things. Okay, so in that way, this course is a fundamental. See, can you tell me if you study ABCD, how sure are you that you are going to get a job? It's almost like that. You study the fundamentals properly, you understand the concepts, you understand the philosophy, then in the true life situation, you have to just implement. That's all. Okay, so the next question is, sir, I'm a student of from Dr. IIT-KGF. KGF is this thing, no? Kolar Gold Field. So KGF, Mechanical Engineering, third year. I wanted to do my higher studies in Indian Institute of Technology. What is the best way to join it? You have to take up the GATE, sir. There is GATE exam. You all know very well. It comes in February. So plan properly and then take the GATE exam. The moment you clear the GATE exam, you will get an entry into any of the good IITs. Any of the IITs or NITs you will get CFTI institutes, and where in which you also get a stipend varying from 12,000 to 15,000. So you get that stipend for doing your masters. So this money is good enough, even though you live in a city like Bombay and Delhi. So it is good enough for you to support yourself and also to facilitate your studies. So GATE is the only way you have to get out. So there is nothing else. You have a entry fee. So prepare for GATE, clear GATE exam, and then come. Okay. So any other questions? If there are questions, we will be happy to take.
No viewers. Yes, I think if there are not many reviewers in the YouTube or in this channel, so we can close that in 1 or 2 minutes.
Sure, Dr. Amandeep.
Yeah. So your exam is on the 23rd of the April. So some tips regarding the exam: just prepare well. Try to go through the assignments that are given to you, all the 12 assignments, because the 20% of the questions are generally covered through those assignments only. The next section of the questions that will be little out of the assignments, but within the text that you have taken. The text means the transcripts will go through the transcripts and the PPTs. That would be helpful. And the third section would also have some numericals. For that, please use the TCS IO1 calculator only, because this calculator is
approximate, and it gives you. We have planned our questions around this TCS calculator. So if you go to the 4th decimal, 5th decimal approximation, that will be there.
That will also be there.
So
also, please practice with that, because there are different calculators that you have on hand.
Yeah.
Use the example. I gave the example. You know, you put the value, then you put the under root sign, or you put the under root sign first, then you put the value. To be conversant with that, because sometimes the calculations might go wrong otherwise. So this is one point. And the next point is a few questions, maybe 10% of them would be out of the notes that are provided to you, but definitely those are covered in the exam or covered in the course content itself. So try to understand the concepts as well. You'll be able to answer those questions as well. And all the questions would be multiple choice questions only, like those are there in the assignments. So there will be no subjective question. So hope you all get good marks. The evaluation criteria for the course is just what is mentioned in the course home page itself. It is that 25% of the marks are from the assignments, and 75% are for the end exam. That 25% of the marks are taken for the 8 best assignments of the 12 that are there. So this is the major pattern that you can take. And Mr. Murli, if there are not many people, I think we can close the session.
Fine, Dr. Amandeep, we will end the session because
Okay.
we don't have any viewers. And the rest of the things they can post it in the discussion forum.
In the forum, yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Dr.
Thank you,
Amandeep.
everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Ramkumar also. Bye, Dr. Amandeep.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you.